Welcome back, and in this episode we're going to take a second look at electrical safety in homes. It is so exciting you would not believe. So let's start with looking at earthing metal cases. So metal conducts electricity, so metal cases need earthing to stop them giving us electric shocks. That would be annoying. So lots of electrical appliances such as toasters, microwaves, ovens, dishwashers, washing machines all have metal casings, and if there's a fault in the appliance, one of the wires may touch the metal case, which then the metal would conduct the electricity, so that anyone touching the metal would basically they'd receive a shock, which wouldn't be ideal. Now the earth wire is a low resistance wire that connects the metal case to the ground, and if the casing is touched by the wire inside the appliance, the current will flow through the earth wire. And because the resistance in the earth wire is low, a very high current will flow through it, which breaks the fuse in the device. And that stops the flow of current to make the appliance safe. So remember, the earth wires have low resistance, they connect to the ground, and are necessary in metal-cased electrical appliances. And the purpose of the earth wire is to make faulty appliances safe again. Now, live wires have some dangers associated with them. Now, live wires are just wires that have electricity going through them. And the reason they're dangerous is because they have a large amount of electrical energy going through them. So a live wire can still be dangerous when the mains switch is open, i.e. the plug socket or light switch is turned off. This is because it might still hold some potential difference. And if you touched a live wire when your body would supply a link between the supply and the ground, and that would give you an electric shock. Now, the live wire and earth wire can never be in contact because this would remove the safety feature of the earth wire. And this would also take a huge amount of current, which would overpower the fuse, and then the fuse would melt and potentially explode. Now, an electric shock from the main supply could be fatal and could actually kill you. So it's really important that this works. Otherwise, some people might get hurt. Now remember, a live wire carries a large amount of electrical energy, so it can be dangerous. And say, for example, famous Simpsons episode where Homer puts an electrical wire in his mouth and it does not go very well for him. Don't recommend you do that at home because you will get very hurt. Now, an earth wire is a low resistance wire that connects the metal case to the ground. If the casing is touched by the wire inside the appliance, the current will flow through the earth wire. Because the resistance in the earth wire is very low, a very high current will flow through it, and that breaks the fuse in the device. And this will stop the flow of current, which makes the appliance safe again. Remember, earth wires are needed for appliances because they have metal casings for this purpose. Now, I've got a question for you. Why can a live wire still be dangerous even when the main switch is open, which means that it's turned off? Remember, that's because there can also be some potential difference stored in the wires even when something is turned off. And that is all we're going to talk about in our second episode looking at electrical safety in homes. I hope you found it as thrilling as I did. And join us again next time. We're going to look at some more electricity stuff. Particularly, we're going to look at our first episode to do with static electricity. Join us then.